I'm going to just pause and do a little like summary. If people are hearing some of this for the first time, and you can correct me if I'm wrong on any of this,
Absolutely.
that this protein galactin-3, while we think of inflammation as the bad guy, inflammation is a result of there's a threat to the body or a perceived threat of some kind. So the body responds, activates the immune system, and this protein is an activator. And then one thing it's doing besides inflammation is making a lattice of biofilm where different infectious things can thrive. And then the citrus pectin comes in. I think you have like a horticulture story on this one, and actually kind of blocks some of these infectious matters from attaching, and then kind of breaks up the biofilm as well.
It does. So citrus pectin doesn't do this. Only modified citrus pectin.
Okay, thank you for
modified
correcting me.